To check the if conditional control statement, we will directly jump into a practical example. Let's get two values and check which is greater. I will say int a, comma b, and then C out, enter a number, C in a, and I will paste the same for the variable b. Now I will give the if condition. Here I will write if parentheses, and inside the parentheses I will state the condition, which is a greater than b. Now inside the curly brackets I will write C out, a is greater. Now let's run. I will enter 4 and 3. As you can see, it says a is greater. Let's rerun and enter 4 and 5. Now there is no output. The reason is there is only one condition checked. That is, if a is greater than b, then do something. Otherwise what? So let's add an otherwise situation as well using else. I'll write else, and inside the curly brackets I'll say C out, b is greater. Now let's run and enter 4 and 5. Now you can see that it displays b is greater. So in this code there is only one condition checked, that is, if a is greater than b, then do something, otherwise the else part is executed. To confirm this, let's run the code once again and let me enter 4 and 4. And now you can see that it still displays b is greater, which is not the case. So do remember that else is just an otherwise situation and it does not check a condition specifically. Now if we want to make the program where it should display a or b is greater or both are equal, then there are more than one conditions to be checked. And to do so, we can use the else if. Here I will add else if, and inside the parentheses I'll say a less than b. Inside the curly brackets I will paste this, and inside the else I'll write C out, both are equal. Now let's run the code. If I say 4 and 5, it says b is greater. Let me enter 4, 3, then it says a is greater. And now let me enter 4 and 4, and it says both are equal. So this is the basic syntax of if condition.